Tech tip, 15920 kit unboxing. We have our hydraulic hose, 16040. We have mud flap, 15901. We have our air hydraulic pump, it's a 15920. Operating instructions, read before using, please. First thing we're gonna do is remove the shipping plug, a 1/2 inch box wrench. Then we're going to use the thread tape, monster thread tape for the threaded end that's going into the air hydraulic pump. Go in a clockwise motion. I usually go 2 to 3 wraps around. Try to cover all the threads. I'm going to install the hydraulic hose into the pump by utilizing a 3/4 inch box wrench. Make sure she's snug. You don't want to leak any hydraulic fluid. There we go. Then we're going to install our mud flap. It has a rigid side and a smooth side. We're going to install it with rigid side up. And the reason for that is if your foot is wet, muddy, you'll get better traction on the foot pedal, and the smooth side will grip the actual pedal that it's sitting on. And before use, it comes with a breather plug. Before any use, you want to remove the red shipping plug either with a straight screwdriver, or you can use a pair of pliers. I just use pliers. It's very easy to come out and then thread the breather plug in so you can get good operational use.